I'm on the side of what do I have to do to pay Walton EMC this month? I'm on that side, right? Debbie says, Kimmy, thank you for the encouragement. I can't wait to own my business. Yes, Debbie, I'm serious. You want to own your own business, own something. And again, we're not taught how to do it. That's why the mentorship business, the mentorship for the notary is amazing too, because we teach you step by step. We even have a build your business course in there, and we walk through that with you. As you're building it, you can ask questions in the chat and stuff, right? For live assistance. But the point is, most of us have not been taught how to have a business. And it's funny because I didn't realize my parents were entrepreneurs in the fullest sense until the last few years. I really didn't. My dad worked at Ford Motors, so a lot of times they would get laid off. And in between time, they started a carpet cleaning business. That business grew so much. And my mother didn't have systems and all that kind of stuff. She had an old notepad that she would write down appointments, and she was very organized. Despite having all of us children, 4 kids, despite having all of us, my mama was a beast master. No formal education in business, but my mama knew her stuff. Okay, so I learned from the best. I learned old-fashioned ways. So now we got systems, and we have Excel spreadsheets, and we have all of this fancy to do stuff. Nah, honey, she was counting on her fingers. She'd be like, okay, 500 plus 500. Okay, baby. She wasn't even using no calculator. Her little fingers just worked. Okay, she wasn't using Excel. She wasn't using none of that. She had a yellow notepad or a spiral notepad you get from the Dollar Tree, and she would be writing down appointments. Then she ended up getting into some property. So my mother was a beast master, okay? Beast master. So I learned from the best, not knowing that I was being taught. Interesting, huh? The majority of you, though, unfortunately, has never had nobody teach you how. You have not. You have not. So I'm very passionate. When I say that, I'm not just saying that for sound effects. I'm very passionate about people winning and owning their own business. My sister finally got the memo, y'all. Finally. Let me get y'all comments. Finally got the memo. She is still at her day job. She's reduced her hours so she can focus on her business. You'll start seeing her soon. She was supposed to start with me a couple weeks ago doing YouTube, but she still was wrapping up some things at work, and I didn't want to overwhelm her. Now here I go being nice and kind to her, right? The beast master me should have been like, so now we got to come over here and do this. But anyway, I didn't do that. And she fully grown. You can't make nobody do nothing. But now she's at a point she wants to. So she got her commission. She's ready to go. You'll be seeing much more of her in the coming days. So be looking out for Kay Denise. Lisa says, and you will own your own business too, Debbie. I'm glad I was encouraging today, okay? I really am. And I want that for each of you. Now, are all of you going to open a business and it grow to the scale that I'm getting ready to teach in Creators Club, where you can have a YouTube channel, podcast, an ebook, courses, membership, the whole 9? That may not be for all of you. Maybe some of you just want to do a podcast. Maybe some of you just want to do a blog. So I'm going to be talking about all of those things. And those are things that you should be doing in your notary business too. I'll be truly transparent with you though. When I talk about any of those kind of things over here on this channel, no one's interested. Most people just want to talk about the money. The people that are truly interested, they come from the YouTube community and join me over in the Notary Educators community to learn how to run a notary business. But most of the people here just want to talk about, how can I make 6 figures? I want to make 6 figures a month. I want to make 6 figures, 100,000. That's all they want to talk about. 10,000 a month, 10,000 a month, 10,000 a month, 10,000 a month. You can't get there if you don't know what you're doing. You have to build out the business. You have to. There's no workaround. So anytime I talk about money, woohoo, those videos go sky high. And that's why I don't do a lot of fluff videos. I don't. Could I get on here every day and say, you can make 10,000, you can make 10,000, you can make, I could do that, but that's not the person I'm even interested in. I want the person that want to build a business big, brick by brick, slow Sunday dinner, and get the money the right way. Okay. Because there's no shortcut anyway. So you can listen to the other people if you want to. There is no shortcut. You're going to have to do every single step I'm telling you to do. You got to. There's no workaround. Now, you can do what's called build for you, done for you, and all that. Somebody can build it and do it for you. But I'm still sometimes of the mindset that when you build that thing yourself, it's a whole lot different. I can go buy a chocolate cake, devour that thing, and be like, "Ooh, that was good." But if I bake a chocolate cake from scratch, we gonna eat a little bit slower. Everybody ain't even getting none. I put a lot of work into that. I go buy a Publix cake. I'm like, girl, you want to come get some of this cake? I got too much. But when I slaved over the stove and I put every chocolate chip in the chocolate chip batter or whatever, yeah, we're going to look at it a little bit different. Okay. Lisa says, leaving my 9 to 5 for the day on my way to notarize some docs. See, Lisa don't play about her business. She does not. She does not. I'm proud to call her my friend. And she's in mentorship too. Lisa's a good person. Really good person. Really good person. Lisa V. Hey, Lisa. Hi, Kimmy. I appreciate the knowledge you are providing. Lisa, are you Lisa that's in mentorship? I sent you a couple emails. I want to make, is that you, Lisa? I'm sure there's more than one Lisa Vasquez, but I want to see if that's you. Because I did send you an email. Is that you, Lisa? I'm going to hang out while you tell me. Yes. So did you get in? I sent you 2 more emails. Did you get in, Lisa? Were you able to see your courses? Because I don't think you responded to me. Yes. Cool. Okay. Okay, cool. And then, Lisa, there's also a mobile app you can download, okay? There's a mobile app you can download for Kajabi. And last question, Lisa, will you be in the live session tomorrow? I look forward to meeting you. Tomorrow night, 7 Eastern. 7 Eastern. And welcome to the program. Hey, Martha. Martha's in the program. Hey, Notary fam. What's up? What's up? Will you be in the live session tomorrow, Lisa? Martha, do you come to the live sessions too? Guys, people are sleeping on the live sessions. They are sleeping on the live sessions. Some people schedule don't permit it. They go back and watch the replay. I appreciate that. And it's still good for you. The information is still good. But it's nothing like being in the room where it's happening. Any of my Hamilton people, they got that song, the room where it happens, the room where it happens. I need to be in the room where it happens. I hope they don't give me a copyright strike for that. But you want to be in the room where it's happening. Okay? Lisa says, yeah, I want to try. Yeah, try your best, Lisa, to make that. If not, you'll see the replay. But it's nothing like being in the room live. I'm glad you did get access, and I did send you a couple emails. I was right on top of that. All right, guys. I'm going to say goodbye on behalf of Notary Educators. We do have a few more people. If y'all got anything else, I'll stay a few more minutes because we had a few people to enter. Elisa. Okay. Elisa. Oh, hey, Elisa. I love that little heart. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Lisa, I told you I'll be remember all these aliases. Elisa plays for her. I love that it plays for her, though. Elisa, so how things going? Well, I just saw you on the chat. Because sometimes I'll do like a phone call to group, too. I might do that today. Well, no, we're going to meet tomorrow. We'll catch up tomorrow. If we talk too much today, we want to talk about tomorrow, right? We'll talk tomorrow. All right, Elisa, I will see you tomorrow over in the live session too, okay? Anybody else with a question really quick before we go? Because I am wrapping up. This is it. Last call. Okay, Elisa. Last call for questions. Anything else? Okay, going once, twice. Anything else? All righty. Well, all things notary, check out notaryeducators.com. Again, I am your host, Kimmi Nunnally. All is well. Okay, let's chat tomorrow. Okay, cool. Very good. I love to hear that. Or I'll see you over in the chat. So you got to wait if you need something. All right, guys. Well, until next time, I wish everyone much success in your businesses. And don't forget, own something, guys. Own something. Own something. I joined at $27. Okay, Chris. Oh, cool. So I'll see you in the live session tomorrow. Will I see you in the live session tomorrow, Chris? I hope so. And thank you for joining. I appreciate it. But I'm excited for what it's going to do for you and your business. That's what I'm really excited about. I'm excited what you're going to gain from it and being in the community. When you eventually get ready, you can upgrade. Just kind of see how this works out for you. But join us for the live session tomorrow. You'll get an email. Usually I send it out 6 o'clock, an hour before the session starts. So look for that email tomorrow, okay? Join us live. Tomorrow is all about customer service with Lori Wilson, okay? I'll be there too, but Lori is spearheading it. Our group is doing so amazing now I can start asking some of them to start teaching, and I'm loving that piece. I'm loving that piece. So hopefully more to come in the future. All right, guys, until next time, on behalf of Notary Educators with Kimmi, be about it. Don't sleep on it.